So I've been working around with this robot for some time now, and this is how cool it is. Basically, this connects through Bluetooth, and through the web interface you can command it, move it left, right, whichever way you want it to go. Now here's a bit more about that. So I remember way back in 2019, the first time taking the C++ course, and it was confusing. After hours and compilation errors, several of them, you finally get the screen to print "Hello World," and you get very happy about it. And the question is, why are you happy? You literally told the system to write on the screen "Hello World," and that's it, and you're just happy. Okay, that is too abstract. Okay, with this kind of stuff, we kind of move the abstract things we do in programming to something more real, something we can see and be more inspired by this. Way back in 2021, I started playing around one of these things. It's basically a mini computer. Okay, this is a Mega. The one I was playing around was Arduino Uno, but basically they do the same thing. This is just a bigger version of it. And what we did with that was you're able to connect the real world things to it and tell it to do something. So in this short video here, this is us connecting a bunch of LED lights to it and telling it to light up in sequence. So if you follow it, you can see how they are lighting up and switching off, and all of these can be specifically told to the computer here, this mini computer, and to execute that. Now lately I've been quite obsessed about this even tinier one. I don't know if you can see that. I'm having a hard time zooming in. So this is called the ESP board. It's called Super Mini. All right, the cool thing with this is it comes with a Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth module inbuilt. Okay, and so what that does is it gives you the ability to control things through Wi-Fi or through the Bluetooth, and it's also really tiny and convenient, fit in almost any project you're going to build. Now this is my first time getting along with this, and I realized they are really interesting. And in this case, we kind of we can add that into this robotic project we see here. Now everything here is 3D printed, and it got a nice touch screen. It's not a touch screen, let me correct that. It got a nice screen here to display some kind of test or emotions you want your robot to display. Now what's the deal with this? I'm really getting into this, and I feel like there's a whole lot we can do with this, and I've been thinking of it lately, and I've been designing this tiny car here. Okay, again, this is 3D printed. This is the first version, and it is not yet done. It got the wheels inside here, and we can all guess how it's gonna look like when it is done. Some wheels are gonna be here, gonna be on the other side, and I'm thinking we could create a similar interface like we did with the phone and this tiny robot here, and we will be able to control this through Wi-Fi or through the Bluetooth, and this is gonna be cool. So if you're really interested in seeing how it goes, I think sooner or later we'll be working on that, and we will see how this actually goes. Now this is creativity unleashed, right? Everything here is 3D printed, designed, wired, code written, and also it's a good time to be alive because there's too much AI models out there right now, and it's very easy to go about codes in case you have no idea about them, and it's sad. I also struggle with code sometimes, but I think with AI models we can understand them easily, we can get them easy and follow along. So if you're interested in seeing how we built this car up with this tiny microcontroller here, I think that'll be fun, and hang on, see you next time.